If you're looking to try out a new operating system, Linux Mint is one of the best and most user-friendly options available. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Linux Mint ISO file so you can install it on your computer. The first step is to head over to the official Linux Mint website to download the ISO file. Open your web browser and go to linuxmint.com. This is the official site for Linux Mint, where you'll find everything you need to get started. Different editions, each with a different desktop environment. The most popular editions are Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. Cinnamon is the most modern and full-featured desktop environment, offering a familiar interface with a lot of customization options. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading the Cinnamon edition. After choosing your edition, you'll be taken to a page where you can select a download mirror. These mirrors are servers located around the world that host the ISO file. It's best to choose one that's geographically close to you for faster download speeds. Click on the mirror link to start downloading the ISO file. The download will begin immediately, and depending on your internet speed, it might take a few minutes to complete, as the ISO file is usually a couple of gigabytes in size. Once the download is complete, it's a good idea to verify the integrity of the ISO file to make sure it wasn't corrupted during the download. And that's it. Now you know how to download the Linux Mint ISO file, and you're one step closer to installing one of the best Linux distributions out there. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.